Hey, I'm Skip Bedell. I'm going to show you how to cut around shower heads and faucets using Palisade tiles. The first thing we want to do is measure the distance to the center of this pipe from the track. And as you can see, we have 13 inches to the center. Then we're going to measure up from the bottom to the center of the pipe, and we have 6 3/8. So now we're going to take these measurements and we're going to transfer them to the tile. So we're going to come in 13 inches and make a mark, and we're going to come up 6 3/8, and we'll take our square, and that's going to be the center of our hole. Once you have the measurements, mark off and cut the hole in your next tile. After the tile is cut, clean off any dust from the cutting process and apply adhesive to the back of the tile. Now press the tile into place, and don't forget to add sealant to all the joints. You'll want to add sealant in any water environment, but this is particularly important around plumbing fixtures and pipes. For more information, check out palisade-tiles.com.